Have you ever struggled to silence the chatter in your mind when trying to focus on your goals? This is a common struggle we all share, and it is largely due to what is often referred to as the monkey mind. The concept of the monkey mind originates from Buddhist teachings and is used to describe the restless, unsettled, and confused mental state that we often find ourselves in. It's like a monkey hopping from branch to branch, or in this case, from thought to thought, without pause or focus. This constant mental chatter can make it challenging to concentrate on our tasks or goals, leading to frustration and a sense of being overwhelmed. Imagine trying to listen to a beautiful symphony, but with multiple radios playing different stations all at once. The music is there, but it's drowned out by the cacophony of noise. That's what the monkey mind does. It drowns out our focus with a barrage of thoughts, fears, worries, and distractions. We all experience this to some degree. It's part of being human. But the challenge lies in learning how to manage this mental chatter, to quiet the monkey mind, so that we can concentrate on what truly matters to us. It's not about silencing our thoughts completely. That would be like trying to stop the waves in the ocean. Instead, it's about learning to navigate these waves, to bring a sense of calm and control amidst the constant ebb and flow of our thoughts. And this is where many of us hit a roadblock. We try to force our minds into submission, to wrestle our thoughts into silence. But the harder we try, the louder the chatter seems to get. It's a frustrating cycle that can leave us feeling even more distracted and overwhelmed. But what if there was a different approach? What if there was a method to tame this mental chatter and channel your focus towards achieving your goals? That's where meditation comes in. Before we dive into the heart of the matter, we'd like to extend a warm welcome to all the new and returning viewers on our channel. If you're passionate about personal growth, manifestation, mindfulness, and achieving your goals, you're in the right place. We explore practical strategies and seeking or creating moments of joy to raise our vibration and manifest a life of authenticity and abundance through law of attraction. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's unravel the mystery of meditation and how it can help you tame the monkey mind. Meditation, a practice as old as history itself, holds the key to quieting the monkey mind. This ancient art, steeped in thousands of years of tradition, is more than simply sitting in silence. It's an active process of becoming deeply aware of the present moment, of tuning into the subtle nuances of our thoughts, emotions, and sensations. Meditation is the gentle taming of the mind, a way to cultivate inner peace and clarity. Its benefits are manifold, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving focus and concentration. But perhaps its most profound benefit is its ability to help us gain control over our thoughts. Through meditation, we learn to observe our thoughts without judgment, to let them come and go without getting swept away in their current. It's like standing on the shore of a rushing river, watching the water flow by, but not getting pulled into the current. Now, how can you use meditation to calm your mind and focus on your goals? Incorporating meditation into your routine doesn't have to be complicated. It's a process that can be broken down into simple, manageable steps. So, let's explore these steps together, shall we? Firstly, find a quiet place. This could be any space where you feel comfortable and undisturbed. It could be a corner in your living room, your bedroom, or even a quiet spot in a local park. The key is to find a place where you can let your guard down, allowing yourself to be fully present in the moment. Next, sit comfortably. You don't have to adopt any particular posture. Simply sit in a way that allows you to relax while maintaining alertness. You might choose to sit on a cushion on the floor, on a chair, or even lie down if that feels better for you. Remember, comfort is key. Now let's move on to the most essential part of the process, focusing on your breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. You don't need to control your breath, just observe it. This act of focusing on your breathing anchors you in the present moment, keeping your mind from wandering. Of course, the mind has a tendency to wander. It's natural. When this happens, observe your thoughts without judgment. You might think of your mind as a clear blue sky and your thoughts as clouds passing by. You're not trying to clear the sky, just observing the clouds as they pass. Finally, whenever you notice your mind has wandered away from your breath, gently bring your focus back. It's this act of returning your attention to your breath again and again that is the essence of meditation. Here's a tip that has worked for us. Many of us sit for 20 minutes or longer and focus on our breath, but the thoughts still take over. Try setting a timer for a smaller increment of maybe 3 minutes of purely focusing on your breathing. Really allow yourself to relax into the flow of your breath, as if the sound of the air entering through your nose and exiting through your mouth is all that exists in this moment. Then, after you get comfortable with being able to focus purely on your breath for 3 minutes for a week or two, or however long you need, gradually increase the time. If you find this little tip from our own meditation experience helpful, let us know in the comments and we will do a more in-depth video on this. Don't be hard on yourself if your mind wanders frequently. It's all part of the process. Remember, meditation is a practice. The more you do it, the better you get at quieting your mind. So keep practicing and soon you'll find yourself more at peace, more focused, and better equipped to tackle the challenges of life. Now that you have a basic understanding of meditation, let's talk about how it can help you focus on your goals. Once the hustle and bustle of your mind is calmed, meditation becomes a powerful tool for focusing on your goals. It's like clearing the fog from a mirror, allowing you to see your reflection clearly. Except in this case, the reflection is your goals, and the fog is the constant chatter of your mind. One way to apply meditation to your goals is through visualization techniques. Imagine you're sitting in a quiet room, your thoughts are calm, and you're deeply relaxed. Now picture your goal. It could be anything from running a marathon to starting a business. Visualize it in as much detail as possible. See yourself achieving it, feel the sense of accomplishment, and let that feeling fill you. This not only enhances motivation, but also helps to align your subconscious mind with your conscious goals, creating a positive mindset for achieving them. Using meditation to focus on your goals isn't just about visualizing the end result. It's about visualizing the journey as well. The steps you need to take, the challenges you might face, and how you would overcome them. It's about creating a mental roadmap to your success. Moreover, meditation helps you stay resilient and maintain your focus on your goals, even when faced with setbacks. It gives you the mental strength to keep going, to keep pushing, and to never lose sight of what you're striving for. Remember, meditation isn't a magic wand that will instantly achieve your goals for you. It's a tool, a very powerful tool, that when used properly, can help you clear the path towards your goals, making the journey a little less daunting and a little more enjoyable. In essence, meditation helps you build a mental bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It's about moving from the present moment with all its chaos and confusion towards a future where your goals are realized and your dreams no longer just dreams, but a reality. So, what do we take away from this? The journey we've embarked on today has led us to uncover the fascinating concept of the monkey mind and how meditation can help us gain mastery over it. We've seen how the monkey mind, with its incessant chatter and relentless bouncing from thought to thought, can be a major obstacle to our focus and productivity. But we've also discovered that this challenge isn't insurmountable. We've explored the power of meditation, a practice that has been around for thousands of years and has been proven to bring about a sense of calm and focus. We've learned how meditation is not about emptying our minds, but rather about observing our thoughts without judgment. This practice fosters a sense of mindfulness, which can help us become aware of our monkey mind and its antics, allowing us to remain centered and focused even amid its chatter. We dove into the simplicity of meditation, showing that it's not as daunting as it may seem. With the right approach, anyone can meditate. It's as simple as finding a quiet place, focusing on your breath, and observing your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. We've also seen how meditation can be applied to our goals. By taming our monkey mind and cultivating a state of focus and clarity, we're better equipped to pursue our ambitions. Meditation helps us cut through the noise and distractions, enabling us to concentrate on what truly matters. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's a practice that will evolve and deepen over time. So don't be discouraged if you don't master it right away. Be patient with yourself and remember that every moment of mindfulness is a step in the right direction. So, are you ready to tame your monkey mind and pave the way to your goals through meditation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening content like this.